Looks like I have a brake light out in my 2008 Chevy Equinox. So I made this video to show you how to replace it. I'm How To Bob. Let's take a look at the back of the vehicle. Got the running lights on right now. And you can see the lower red light does not light up. Turn signal works, but the brake light on the left is out. So to replace that, there's little caps underneath the hatch. Take the caps off. There's a little clip at the bottom that you just push up with a small flathead screwdriver. There's two of them. And then I'm going to use a 10mm socket to remove the screws. And you can use a Phillips as well. Once I get the two screws out from the back, there are two spots, one here and one here, where the taillight assembly is latched into the car, so it has to be pulled out to the side. And you can see there's a hole here, and then a peg here and down here that just clip into the holes. So I can disconnect the socket, and you can see this bulb is black, so that means it's blown, and that's the one that was bad. I'm going to replace it. I've got some 2357 bulbs, and with these bulbs, they'll only fit in one way, so you just push them in and they lock into place. You can see if I put them in the other way, they just won't push in and lock. So I'll put them in the correct way and lock them into place. Then I can put my socket back into the taillight assembly, match up my pins with the car and the taillight assembly, and I'll push those in from the side to lock it into place. And then I replace the two screws in the back. Once I get the two screws back in, I can then put the cap in, put the top of the cap in first and snap the bottom in, and do the same thing for the bottom one. And all that's left to do is test it out. And there you go. We now have a brake light. So that's how you change the brake light or turn signal in a 2008 Chevy Equinox. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates. I'm How To Bob, and as always, thanks for watching.